What's going on, Mix Nights? I am Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video we are going to make some peanut butter protein dots. You may know them as protein balls, but I'd rather eat dots than balls.
Why would you say that? I'm sorry. I'm trying not to laugh.
Before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and also hit that like button so it can help this channel grow. Protein dots are good for curbing your hunger, keeping you from overeating. It can be considered a superfood because it's high in protein, which can help you with the building of your lean muscles. It's a perfect snack with a boost of energy to keep you on track with your weight loss goals. I will be using Orgain as my protein base, and you may be doing it as well. I happen to be an ambassador with the brand, so if you're looking to save about 30% off your first purchase, make sure you use my coupon code listed in the description. You'll find it as Mixonite30. Aside from that, I'll have more details in the description. To make protein balls, you're going to combine 1 scoop of protein, 4 ounces of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, chia seeds, a lot of peanut butter, and chocolate chips. Mix well and add some water if you need it. Continue to stir. Scoop some up. Roll them up into a ball, and voila, you have your own snack. Snack on these when the going gets tough and place the rest of them in the refrigerator for later. This should keep your appetite on point for at least a week. Let me know if you try these by commenting down below, and don't get high off your own supply. Remember, you don't want to overeat these things either as well, because anything and everything can make you big if you don't eat it in moderation. Now with that being said, subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications if you want to see more videos like this. Make sure you comment, hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.